Welcome to the introduction of the Lantech Milestone Plugin. In this demo, we will start with the initial setup and then show each feature of this free plugin step by step. When using the plugin for the first time, click Add Device. The system offers three ways to discover devices: manual, ICMP ping sweep, and LLDP. In this demo, we use ICMP ping sweep. Next, enter the switch management account information. Then input the IP range. The system will automatically scan and find all supported Lantech switches. Select the switches you want to manage. Click Add Device, and you will see the three switches appear in the device list. Next, I will follow the side menu and introduce the Lantech Milestone Plugin interface and each feature step by step. On the dashboard, you can see the overall system status at a glance. At the top, you see the number of devices, total uptime and downtime, and how many are online or offline. Alerts are updated in real time, showing the latest events. In the metrics area, each switch shows uptime and downtime in a clear chart. You can also change the time range. On the right, the alert panel records detailed logs, such as login success, login type, and source IP. This ensures all actions can be tracked. With the dashboard, managers can quickly check device health and security events and find problems fast. In the device list, you can see detailed information for each switch: name, model, MAC address, IP address, CPU use, memory use, and uptime. At the bottom, you see a summary of all devices. You can also add new devices here. It is possible to select multiple devices for batch management. For each device, you can click on the right side to see more detailed device information. You can also perform some basic switch settings here. If you want deeper management through Web UI or CLI, quick links are provided. At the bottom, you will find options for firmware and configuration management, as well as restarting the device. In the Topology view, the system shows the connections between switches and other devices. Each device is labeled with its name and IP address, and lines show the uplink port connections. For example, TPESL5424 MGT connects with TPGSL5216 MGT through port 18, and TPGSL5216 MGT connects back through port 25. The view also shows connections to other devices, such as a desktop computer. This helps managers quickly understand the whole network structure. Event Log collects all switch events. You can view by category such as boot, USB, or PoE, and filter by IP or time. The page has two parts. The top shows notifications that need user acknowledgement, and the bottom shows general logs. Once you acknowledge a notification, it moves to the general area. You can also clear all logs at once. Audit Log records every user action in the system. You can filter logs by role: admin, operator or user, or by keywords and time. Ping test is a simple troubleshooting tool. If Milestone cannot reach a switch, you can ping its IP to check if it is a hardware failure or a software setting issue. The IP sweep function allows administrators to scan one or more IP ranges to discover active devices. It identifies reachable hosts for inventory and troubleshooting. In notification setting, you can choose which events generate alerts. For example, if you only want boot events, enable that category and disable others. This way, you only receive important alerts and avoid unnecessary noise. User management allows admin accounts to view, create, and manage system users. In the user profile page, users can check and adjust personal settings. In the About page, you can see the system version and basic information. Here are some frequently asked questions. Can this plugin perform batch management? Yes. The plugin supports batch actions on switches, including upgrading firmware, backing up configurations, restarting devices, and deleting switches. These functions allow administrators to manage multiple switches at once, improving efficiency. Why is ICMP ping necessary? LLDP uses multicast, which may miss some devices. ICMP ping ensures complete discovery, so no switch is left out. Can this plugin manage VLANs? No, the plugin itself does not provide VLAN management. If VLAN settings are changed, you need to fix them directly on the switch or use Lantech view for full VLAN control. Why does the topology view show 2 lines for one uplink? Currently, the system shows TX and RX as 2 lines, even if there is only one uplink. This can be confusing, and future improvements may optimize the display. Is this system cloud-based? No, it is not a cloud platform. It runs on a web server structure. Each site installs Milestone XProtect, and clients access switches through the site's URL. How is this plugin different from Lantech View? Lantech View runs as an independent software platform, offering advanced features such as scheduling and detailed troubleshooting tools like snapshots. It is a full network management platform with deep functions and is provided as an optional licensed feature. By contrast, the Milestone plugin is a lightweight extension inside Milestone, designed mainly for monitoring, event filtering, and simple troubleshooting, and it is free of charge. This concludes the introduction of the Lantech Milestone plugin. Thank you for watching. We hope this plugin brings more efficiency and confidence to your Milestone system.